Hi, welcome to my channel Ruby Ne Crochet Tejido. Today I'm gonna teach you how to crochet these beautiful flowers. They are like daisies. I have a lot in the garden this time of year. I hope you guys like it and give it a try. And here is the list of material you're gonna need to make them. If you are not already a subscriber, please subscribe and click on the little bell. That way you get notification each time I upload a video. Remember, I make my videos in Spanish and English. If you receive a Spanish video and you want to see the video in English, go to the main page of my YouTube channel that you'll find the English version in there. Also, you can send me a message and I can send you the link. And at the end of each video, I leave a playlist with all my English tutorial. To make these flowers, this is the yarn I'm gonna use, Peyton's Astra Light 3. The color is a school bus yellow, 50 gram, 100% acrylic. This one is Bernard Baby Sport Sparkles, 300 grams, 86% acrylic, 14% rayon, and the color is white and it's light 3 as well. The crochet hook is a 3mm crochet hook. You're gonna need tapestry needle and scissors. You're gonna start with the center. We're gonna start with a magic circle. And to do my magic circle, I'll wrap around in here like so. I place my thumb in between, pull the loop, pass the yarn through, and you have your magic circle. Now you're going to chain 1 and you're going to do 15 single crochet. If you want to do 8 petals on your flower, you will do 16. For mine, I did the first one with 7, so I decided to do all of them with 7. So 1, 2, and make sure you always trap the 2 strands inside the single crochet in order for the magic circle to work. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. I'm gonna pull that tail to close the center. Nice and tight. I'm gonna cut my yarn. I'm gonna do a slip stitch on the first one. I'm going to pass it to the back. And you're going to lose the tails and you're going to do as many center as you need for the project that you're doing, either for a blouse, for a dress, for whatever. You're going to do all the center and it will be easier only to do the petals after. We're going to start with a slip knot. And you're gonna go to any of these single crochet space and pass the loop. Chain 1 and do a single crochet in the same space. Now you're gonna chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6, but you have to do 3 to turn your work around, and you will do your first double crochet and the 5th chain. And to make things easier, what you do after you do your 6 chain space, you place your finger or your thumb marking 2 chains out, and you will do your 3, 1, 2, and 3, and that's your 5 chains. So it'll be easier. You will do your double crochet and that one closest to your finger, and you don't have to be counting in. It will be faster and easier. So you're gonna do a double crochet on each double crochet and on each chain space, sorry, and total will be 6 because you chain 6. And now in the single crochet you have to do your 7 double crochet. Six, and this is the single crochet. You're in the single crochet, we'll do one more for a total of 7 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You're gonna go to the next single crochet and you're gonna do a slip stitch, and you're gonna go to the next one and do a single crochet, and like that is how you're gonna do your petals, as many as you want for your flower. Now again I'm gonna chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, mark those two out, 1, 2 and 3, yarn over, come here and do a double crochet, that's 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And if you don't do a double crochet and that single crochet, you will get a gap in between the petals and the center of the flower. That's when you always have to do that extra double crochet here and that single crochet. You go to the next single crochet and try to trap the tail at the same time and do a slip stitch and go to the next one and do a single crochet. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, mark those two out, 1, 2 and 3, yarn over and do your double crochet. It's very easy to do these flowers, they're very pretty too. So and 6, number 7 and a single crochet, a slip stitch in the next one, and single crochet in the next one. One, 2, 6, 2 and 3. And you can use these flowers to do a cluster of flowers in the design, and you can do some, you know, with less petals. And I want to show you how nice they look, like a sideways flower. They look really nice. Like this. You have a cluster of flower and you put one like that. They look really nice with less petal when you see the flower like this. But you have to do one more. You never do even. You have to do odds for this type of thing. That way it look much better because it look like two hands and two little feet in here. So like that you want to continue all the way around. Well, this is the end result, and I absolutely love these flowers. They look like daisies. I have a lot in my garden right now. If you like, you can do 2 layers like this, you know, like you will sew them like this. They look 3D. They will look really nice. But for my project, I'm gonna do them single like so. And I hope you guys like it and give a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel if you are not already a subscriber and you make these beautiful flowers and any project with them. And you want to send me some pictures, you can do it through my Facebook page, Ruby Crochet Tejido, or my Instagram, Ruby Crochet Tejido. Please share my video with friends and family and groups. That way you help me with the thumbs up and with view here in the channel. I wish you have a beautiful day. Bye.